racing drones to full-size quadcopters, you can find any type of drone here on display at CES 2018. Drones are one of the most popular marketplaces in the tech industry, and CTA expects drone sales to reach a record high of 3.7 million units in 2018, up 20% from last year.
It's 12 o'clock.
And with the right policies in place, CTA expects the US to reach 1 million drone flights per day by 2025. CES is home to 47 drone exhibitors spread across over 38,000 square feet. Come see how drones can assist in the delivery of supplies or medicine, improve crop production, and even make construction safer and easier.
This year, we're announcing the Mystic drone at the CES, combines advanced AI technology with flight control. It understands its surroundings, it understands its users, and can recognize its owners.
We are Sablu, and we are professional underwater equipment and products manufacturer. White Shark makes the smallest underwater scooter of this world.
All right, so UFI is a creator of a lot of racing drones. Uri, which is basically a little micro racing drone that you can take out into the field or even in your living room and fly around, and it's really easy to fly.
We are the pioneers of the waterproof drone. It can use for the rescue, for photography, or even can monitoring the life wears of the daily life.
Energen, a brand of total power solutions. Specifically for the drone battery, we're launching our newest product. It's called the Drone Max 360.
This is the Evolve, and it's a full carbon fiber monocoque chassis with the world's first dual screen ground station. The ground station, fully automated, and you can link with social media and upload on the fly.